Okay, we're ready to go. Is that Evan? So this is the Ferrari 308 switch, completely restored, rebuilt, UV-proof, urethane on all of the components, much better than the original cast plastic. We polished the mold seams off of all of the knobs, so now you have this nice shiny bald area on the ends of the knobs, and detailed out. Now, for the operation of this thing, we're going to start out with the headlamp lift here. We're testing this on a 9 amp load because this primarily trips relays. 9 amps is a hell of a lot more than it's ever going to see, but it's proof of the pudding on these contacts. Okay, so now I think I can go directly to headlights. Oops, where's my pin? Oh, here we go. Yeah, this has, some of it has female pins, some of it has male pins, so I have to juggle around here a little bit. I think that's the right ground. Nope. Where is my ground for headlights? Oh, here it is. I'm in the wrong circuit. Okay, so headlights is black power. Black power. Raise your right arm. And I don't need that pin there. And high beams. So we got highs right there. We should have lows right there, and of course off. So there's the headlamps, except for the pull for high beam flash, or sometimes they call it a horn switch because it's, oops, excuse me. We don't have this one in an armature anymore. It's the get out of my way lamps, as you can see when you pull the headlamp stalk towards you. The horn lamps. So now we've got headlamps and horn lamps taken care of, and the twist switch. So now we're into turn signals, and the turn signal power in right here, and we should have a left, and of course, oh, well, right now. Okay, and right. And of course it manually cancels. If I do this right, there we go. So now we got headlight. Now we're on to wipers. Now wipers on different cars are are different. So I kind of have to fumble through this one for the test, but it'll get you the basic idea. Okay. You know what? I think first, make sure we have the, yeah, there's horn continuity through a horn brush, as you can see. So the horn works. And then blue with black is the power supply for the wipers. And now it's a little bit confusing because the logic of the wipers are a little bit different than most. Blue, black, and gray. Okay, this is the screen wash. I think you can wash the screen in any position of the arm. And now, pretty sure, no, that's not it. It's blue, black, power to one of these. Not doing too good here because all of these are a bit different. There we go. Okay. Well, rather than belabor the rest of the wipers, we've already done a visual on the contacts and confirmed that they all work. So I'm not going to spend any more time on this video. You can basically see the whole thing is together. Now we also noticed that this was cracked right here in the mounting base. So we actually cross-drilled it and put a pinning screw in it. And we also enhanced the black crinkle finish on it because there were some severe stains. I think this little spot right here is where it rubs on some upholstery, so there's no need to go over that again. But and as well, this we've left this in its original patina. That's a Warren Sun patina, If we clean that off, it turns it kind of yellow in the background. So we're leaving the original patina. So anyway, everything is functional. We got reinforcements on it throughout. That's our story, and we're sticking to it. Thank you.